Finding the best food dehydrator UK can feel hard when you just want crisp apple chips and good jerky at home. The best food dehydrator UK choices today give you even heat, low noise, and easy trays, which also work great in many US kitchens with 120V power. I use one each week for fruit, herbs, and trail snacks, and I have tested more than a few over the years in real home use. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EFD319BNG Food Dehydrator. The Elite Gourmet EFD319BNG Food Dehydrator feels made for real homes. I use it for fruit and dog treats, and it runs smooth and steady each time. The Adjust Temp dial lets me choose the right heat for apples, herbs, or jerky with no stress. I like having that simple control. The clear view trays let me see food as it dries, so I do not have to lift the lid and lose heat. Drying feels even and gentle. Banana chips come out crisp, herbs keep their bright color and smell. The bottom fan moves warm air well, which helps every tray dry at the same pace. The size works great for small batches and fits on my counter with ease. One small downside is the plastic body. It feels light, not heavy. Still, for the price, the Elite Gourmet EFD319BNG Food Dehydrator makes healthy snacks simple and fun to make at home. Number 4. Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator. The Commercial Chef Food Dehydrator feels great for new users and small kitchens. I keep it on my counter because it takes very little space. The BPA-free trays feel safe for fruit, jerky, and dog treats. The easy temp dial is simple to turn, so I can set it and walk away. Drying is slow and gentle, which helps food keep its taste. Apple slices come out sweet, herbs stay fresh and fragrant. The fan stays quiet, which is nice at night. One small downside is the light plastic build, but for the price, it makes clean, tasty snacks with ease. Number 3. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine. The Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine fits my small kitchen very well. I use it often for fruit, herbs, and dog treats. The stackable trays make it easy to dry many foods at once, and I can raise a tray when I have thick cuts. That feels smart and flexible. The low power use at 240 watts helps keep my energy bill low, which I really like. The heat feels gentle but steady. Jerky comes out chewy. Apples come out sweet. The digital timer is easy to set, and it shuts off on its own, which gives peace of mind. One small downside is speed. It takes longer than larger units. Still, the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine feels cozy, safe, and perfect for daily home use. Number 2. COSORI Food Dehydrator. The COSORI Food Dehydrator feels made for busy kitchens. I use it when I have a lot of food to dry in one go. The wide tray space lets apples, herbs, and meat sit apart, so air can move better. The quiet dry mode is perfect for running it overnight with no noise. The 600-watt power gives fast and even heat. Jerky dries smooth. Herbs stay bright. The rear fan pushes air across every tray, so I do not need to rotate anything. That saves time and effort. The digital screen is clear and easy to read. The timer is simple to set, and the auto shutoff adds safety. One small downside is the size. It takes more counter space. Still, the COSORI Food Dehydrator works great for daily drying at home. Number 1. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator Machine. The Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator Machine feels built for real home use. I dry fruit, herbs, and jerky, and it stays steady every time. The rear fan flow moves warm air across all trays, so food dries evenly with no tray swapping. That saves time and stress. The steel body Pro design feels solid and wipes clean with ease. The 600-watt power gives fast and smooth drying. Apples come out crisp, jerky stays chewy. The digital heat control is clear and easy to use. I like how I can set it and walk away. The auto shutoff gives peace of mind, especially at night. One small downside is the size. It takes more counter space. Still, the Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator machine feels like a smart, strong, and safe choice for busy homes. Final verdict. After testing all of these, I personally recommend the Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator as the best overall choice. It gives steady, even drying across all trays, has strong power for large batches, and feels built to last in real kitchens. Whether you're drying fruit, jerky, or herbs, it delivers consistent results with very little fuss. For a specific need, especially if you want a balance of space, quiet drying, and ease of use, the COSORI Food Dehydrator is a smart pick. It offers wide drying space and quiet operation, making it ideal for overnight use or big batches on busy days. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the food dehydrator that fits your style and need best.